Hi, this is Mike Litman, a present founder and the CEO of Mike's Internationals. I'm here today at the new Beacon House School with a beautiful gents today. So today we're going to talk about the Northern American accent. So let's see and let's pronounce how to say AN with a different combination of words. So it's very interesting. Okay, so first, what I can call you?
You can call me Abhi.
Speak louder. What can I call you?
You can call me Usman.
Yes.
You can call me Aisha. You can call me Alisha. You can call me Manur.
And you all can call me Dr. Mike Litman. Yeah, Mikey is fine. All right. So, okay. So let's pronounce today, like what happens when you are pronouncing a word and A and come together, right? When A and N are together, right? And A is before the N, all right? Or N is following the A. So that's not normal, okay? So whenever you see A-N, it sounds differently. And this is because of the modified sound of letter A, especially when it's connected with N. So let's pronounce like an American, okay? Like a native speaker. So everybody say air.
Yeah.
Use your hands. Air.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it happens in the subcontinent music, okay? Air.
Yeah.
Do you see it in the continent music? Mostly, in the videos, like in Indians videos, air.
Yeah.
Okay, speak with, with elegance. Air.
Yeah.
Okay, now pronounce this sound as an air. So usually we say now, but that's cross, that's not okay. So now we will say air. What do you say? Meow. What do you say?
Meow.
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 Meow. Don't stretch much, just a little. Meow.
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 Okay, sometimes maybe that is different. That needs to become main. Okay, but now because there's an A and N, so we say meow.
Meow.
Please speak louder. Meow.
Meow.
Okay, so what can I call you? Sorry.
You can call me Abhi.
Sorry, speak louder. What's your name?
You can call me Abhira.
Abira. Abira, can you spell your name?
A-B-E-E-R.
Abira. All right. So can you pronounce with me and look in the camera and say meow,
Meow.
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 Speak louder. Meow.
Meow.
Now you speak of meow,
Meow.
meow,
Meow.
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 Good job. So then go back. And now it's your turn. What's the next word? Because the same situation. Yes.
Fair.
Fan.
Fair.
Fan.
Fair.
Speak louder. Fan.
Fair.
Yes. Not fan. Fan.
Fair.
Use your hands. Air.
Fair.
Fan.
Fair.
Your turn now. Yes.
Fair.
No. A. Air.
Fair.
Now say
Fair.
pen.
Fair.
Pen.
Fair.
Not pen. Pen.
Fair.
Air.
Fair.
Pen.
Fair.
Good job. This one, man. High five. Good. Yes. Your turn now.
Yeah.
Can. It depends. Sometimes if you use it in a different situations, become can. But right now it's can.
Can.
Yes. Your turn. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Round. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Speak louder. Okay. So now it's a test. These are the test words that we are usually using in our conversation. So say.
Bear.
Bear. Speak louder, everybody.
Bear.
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 Bear. Look
Bear.
at the camera. Say bear.
Bear.
Okay. How do you say ba? Ba.
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 Bear.
Bear.
Now say. You're using this word frequently in your life. What do you say? V-A-N.
Bear.
Van. Good job. Good job. Okay, it's a van.
Van.
Van. Look at that. Van.
Bear.
The last word. Yes, it's a beautiful word. Yes, D-A-N-C-E.
Dance.
You say dance. Some people say dance. There are different pronunciations, but remember, there's an N.
Dance.
Dance. I'm gonna say da.
Da.
Dance.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Dance.
Dance.
Good job. And now everybody say, take care, bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
So that's a beautiful combination with letter A and N. So we say A when it's pronounced with N, we say it air. Air. So it becomes like man. It becomes like veer. Alright? Take care. Everybody say bye-bye.